Chronic pain can be very hard to handle, but many times when we create a mental image of our suffering, we tend to aggravate this pain, thus increasing it. Then every time we feel this sensation, we will have a negative thought attached to it on a conscious and subconscious level. So what this meditation will teach you are techniques to change the mental image that has been created from this pain, and instead implement a peaceful association with pleasant visualizations that create a warmer bonding between you and your body's sensations. This allows you to accept and allow instead of fight and push away. Make sure you're in a very comfortable position. Sit down or lay down if that feels good for you. However, you need to position yourself so that none of your muscles are activated or tense. Every part of your body can rest and feel completely relaxed during this meditation. Begin by taking 5 deep breaths to relax even more. 1, fully breathe in and let it go. 2, fully inhale and exhale. 3, breathe in as much as you can and let it go, feeling a wave of relaxation come over you. 4, deeply inhale and exhale, feeling invigorated. 5, last one, fully inhale and exhale, feeling any tension loosen up in your body and feeling extremely relaxed. Good. And just allow your breath to slow and flow naturally now. Don't try to change anything about it. Just notice the calmness that these 5 breaths gifted you. Notice how your body breathes without you having to do anything at all. Begin to feel any sensations that you associate with your pain. Bring them into your awareness and allow the feelings to multiply. You are completely safe and secure. It's okay to allow these sensations to arise. They will not harm you. Put all of your focus on these areas. Really feel their exact position and the quality of the sensations. What's the pain like for you? Is it stinging, tingling, or burning? Perhaps it's like something else. In your mind, describe every detail and then sit with it. Be entirely with it while it presents itself. Don't do anything about it except feel it. Allow the sensations to grow and don't stop them. Just see what they do. Notice the details of the changes the sensations are making. Good. You are are doing so well.